स्पोकन हिंदी कोर्स संवाद।
लिंग का निर्धारण। लिंग का निर्धारण।
नमस्ते। Today we will learn how to identify pulling, that is, masculine gender from the given words. Rules to identify pulling. First rule is most of the nouns ending with a will be pulling, that is, masculine gender. For example, Raja,
राजा,
Kapda,
कपड़ा,
Ganna,
गन्ना,
Rule second is nouns that end with aw in Hindi language are pulling, that is masculine gender. For example, Bahav,
बहाव,
Thehrao,
ठहराव,
Jamao,
जमाव,
Rule third. Some nouns ending with na act as verbs. These are also to be used as pulling or masculine gender. For example, तैरना,
तैरना,
सोना,
सोना,
लेना,
लेना,
Now the fourth rule is the words ending with pa or pan in Hindi language are also considered as pulling or masculine gender. For example, budhapa,
बुढ़ापा,
motapa,
मोटापा,
बचपन,
बचपन,
बड़प्पन.
बड़प्पन.
Rules to identify Striling. First rule is most of the words ending with e are Striling or feminine gender. For example, topi,
टोपी,
putri,
पुत्री,
devi,
देवी,
लड़की,
लड़की।
Second rule is nouns that end with ia are considered as striling or feminine gender. For example, बुढ़िया,
बुढ़िया।
खटिया,
खटिया।
Now the third rule to identify striling is some words that end with in are always striling or feminine gender. For example, baghin,
बाघिन।
pujarin,
पुजारिन।
The fourth rule is words ending in kha or a are striling or feminine gender. For example, bhook,
भूख।
khoj,
खोज।
Now the fifth rule is some nouns ending with an or t are striling or feminine gender. For example, uljhan,
उलझन।
sajawat,
सजावट।
evaluate yourself. Put the given words in appropriate box. कपड़ा, उलझन, खटिया, बचपन, तैरना, भूख, ठहराव, पुजारी, टोपी, गन्ना, बड़प्पन, सजावट। सही जवाब है पुल्लिंग कपड़ा, बचपन, तैरना, ठहराव, गन्ना, बड़प्पन। स्त्रीलिंग उलझन, खटिया, भूख, पुजारिन, टोपी, सजावट।